In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send messages on TikTok. Okay, so I've loaded up TikTok. Now, the first thing you need to make sure of is if you need to go to the profile option at the bottom right-hand corner, first of all, then tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right-hand corner. Then you want to go to privacy, and then you want to tap underneath the safety option, direct messages. So it's right over there. You want to tap on that. And now you want to make sure that your direct messages is set to friends and not no one, because if it's set to no one, then no one can send you messages. So you want to select friends. Now I don't see an option here for everyone. So you'll have to make sure that you're friends with the person in order to message them. So if you go back, now I'm on the home screen of TikTok and I see a TikTok video. If I want to message this person, bear in mind I have to be friends with this person. So if I swipe to the right over there, you'll see it says follow, but there's no message button. You have to tap on follow first, and then the message button will appear. You can tap on message and you can select send a message real quick by typing in your message and then sending it. And then you'll see a error message pops up. Messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you, meaning I'm not friends with this person, so I can't send them a message. So that's the only problem with this. You have to be friends with the person on TikTok to be able to message them. But that would be the process of how you would message people. And you can just also tap on your inbox there, that option there, to go to your inbox. And then you can tap on the airplane icon at the top right-hand corner, and you should see all your direct messages over there. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.